going on, guys? Hi, Flaming Arrow Gaming, back with another video. And in today's video, I'm doing another vlog. I don't know how good the lighting is or whatever. We're doing a vlog.
Already saved 2 rabbits today.
Ryan, that makes no sense to them. You gotta give them,
Escaped Bunnyville.
you gotta give them like an edge of what's going on here. So first of all, we're here at Roba Family Farms. It's a Pennsylvania thing, so you guys won't know what that is, but you can look it up online. Oh, yeah. We're currently heading to the bouncy pillow, and if they let us, if they let me record on the bouncy pillow, I will do that. If not, you guys will have to have a view from the fence. Sorry, I'm a bit out of breath. I'm lugging this big, gigantic cart. I'm lugging this big cart up a hill. Thank you, Jordan. Jordan took it off me. So, sorry about all the background noise as well, guys. Anyways, like I said, we're gonna head to the bouncy pillow. We're gonna hopefully go on it. Hopefully they'll let me record. I will see you guys there. So, the bouncing pillow is closed because it's wet, supposedly on the surface. So, we'll have to come back to the bouncing pillow. It's giant. We'll have to come back to it later. So, I don't know where we're heading now, but I will see you guys whenever we get there. Hillbilly pig races. That's where they're gonna be. They're all just gonna come running out, and we get to just stand up on the fence and quote unquote coach them, tell them to go. It's really just kids. It's meant for kids so they can just watch the pigs race, I guess, and win a prize. Either a little spider ring or a pig nose. So, I don't know if I'll video the pigs. It might be just a silent video I'll do, or not. I don't know. We'll see. So, I'll catch you guys whenever I come back. Billy pig races, guys.
Alright, cousins. Let's see if these pigs can race in that hill. Here comes Joe's winner.
So that was the hillbilly pig races. I already did one, and I got like this little spider ring. So, oh, he won? Hold on, we gotta see this. That's Jordan right there. Are we out of noses? We're out of noses, guys. Yeah, it's just like a family thing. It's really fun and everything. And you guys get to see. We're gonna put the pig nose on Jordan here right now. Anyways, guys, I'll see you at the next spot. Hillbilly pig races. We're here feeding the fish and the ducks, and try to give you a shot where I don't lose my phone. Yep. They're all in there. They got fish and everything, and they got ducks. And yes, that's my runts in my hand. Love them. Right there. Not sponsored. Anyways. Yep, we're just gonna sit here feed them for a little while, and then we'll head to something else. I don't know what that is. We'll see when we get there. How good the view is, but we're about to go up and go down the slide. Just gonna rush up here real quick. Ready to see the view, guys? There you go. There you go. Good long look. Oh, over here? Alright. 1 second.
You're allowed to go too?
There we go, guys. All situated. Alright. Here we go. Woo. Oh, that was a bit anticlimactic. Not racing. So, that was the slide. I mean, it's not that eventful, but it'll be more eventful once you guys have music in the background. This is gonna be, it's more fun when you experience it, trust me, but, you know, just try making it, even if you live in a different state, try coming up to Roba's. It's really fun and it's really cheap. Also not sponsored by Roba's, but anyways, guys, I'll catch you all in the next part. The adults are now going down the slide.
And Jordan.
And then there's Jordan pulling up the lead. Now that's what I call fun. What's going on, guys? Oh boy. So, we got awesome permission. We got permission from the people to record while we're bouncing. So, it's gonna be very difficult to jump, but let's see if we can get a view of everybody. Oh boy. I don't know how long I'm gonna record on here. I just want to record a little bit because gotta give you guys an idea of what's happening around here. Ooh, so I gotta take a little bit of a break and talk to you guys. So, it's awesome that they would let me record on here. I didn't think they would because you have to empty your pockets, but don't bounce me on purpose.
It's so much fun though.
No.
Yeah, and your videos gonna love it. How you bounce.
You don't know what they're gonna love. Anyways, guys, I'll catch you on the next location. Back in the maze. We're gonna try to record the entirety of the maze. It's just a little kiddies one. We have a small map to do it in. And we have 10 minutes to get through here.
That's the kitty one.
The big one took so long.
This small part of the maze can't be more than 10 minutes in here, so let's get going. Is that like a sticker book? That animal sticker book thing?
Oh yeah. Ow.
Grab one of those and then let's go. Where do you find those things, Bubba?
You just said there are various grappling.
Yeah, let's try to get them.
I mean, there's only 6.
Look at your map thing.
Hello, people who are gonna watch this video. I got 3. Go ahead, crumple up 2.
Arrow Nation.
It is not. I might actually. You know what, guys? I think Jordan just started something for us.
Flame Nation.
But there's already a Flame Nation.
No, but my favorite one I heard is, I'm sure some of your viewers know who Matt, I forgot his last name, but he does Demolition Ranch off the ranch and that ranch, and he calls all of his subscribers a demolition. And that's the best one, you guys.
Well, I know that TVNR Frags, he calls his, or Preston Plays, he calls his the Fire Nation. Did you really just find a tangerine, dude? Show it to the camera, show it to the camera. Yeah.
If we just found a cup,
That is not happening.
Shout out to Demolition Ranch.
I didn't find it. We don't see any stickers yet. I thought we would have seen them. It's just a little kitty
Ronnie,
man.
do you watch Demolition Ranch?
No, I've never watched Demolition Ranch.
I've never even watched Demolition Ranch. Not that I watch YouTube, unless it's about cars.
Let's not show you my face. Let's try to actually show you the maze.
Unless you're a liberal gun hater, then you're not going to enjoy him. Actually, you might enjoy Off the Ranch or Vet Ranch. But
This
you
is a
will not
lovely conversation for my video.
enjoy Demolition Ranch. But, no, he's got his 3 favorite guns he has is a 50 Bay Wolf, Desert Eagle 50, and a 50 BMG.
Hey, so, we were doing something on Tuesday, and we were having a competition with 3 girls to see who can make the best hit.
Don't even read into what Brian just said.
Out of...
Oh, wait. There's
a
something.
scratch up.
Stick it on there.
Wait, guys. Do it so the camera can see it. Jordan, watch your face. There we go.
I hate crayons. Learn quickly. It's not looking like
You're
crap.
scratching off on the screw, man.
No, but he put it. There it is. He put it so bad.
So it looks like just a bunch of green crayon, but that's what it is. It's supposed to be these 2 little hooves, and you're supposed to, you know, color it and then cover it. But
Hey, actually, we could start this over if we don't like this.
yeah, but you crinkled them up.
You could just flip the camera around and hold it on.
that, no, I can't switch it once it's in recording mode.
Okay.
Yeah. Don't worry about those signs that say face it, you're lost. We're not actually lost, don't worry, it's just a little kitty maze.
Baby Manny.
Actually, no, we're only in there for 45 minutes. And today, I said this earlier, but I'm going to give you the story. I rescued 2 rabbits that got out of the rabbit pen.
Okay, we co-rescued them.
No, I jumped over the fence and got the first one, and then we...
They're arguing about a rescue operation.
I actually did the rescue operation.
Yeah, I assisted in the rescue operation.
Held my food.
I helped the rabbit when it jumped over the fence.
I know, but I already rescued it.
Ah, that spider web on my ear.
Hey, Ron, did you see the big banana spider crawling on your head?
Yeah, sure. That was nasty, Jordan.
Or you stop. Oh, man, we need to go backwards.
Why?
We're already out.
Well, we've only been recording for 4 minutes, which means let's go do it again.
Yeah, we need to find more.
I told you guys this was going to be a pretty long video, just 10 minutes, so...
All they did is actually go out and around now.
You know what I'm wondering? I'm wondering how many people go to Roba Family Farms, look up on YouTube, because I'm going to name this video Roba Farm Vlog or something like that. There's all the different ones, guys. So, we found this one, the Billy the Goat. We gotta find Theodore the Bull, Chuck the Cat, Stick the Frog. I'm not even gonna mention, these are just some of the weirdest names I've ever seen.
Tiny the Mouse.
Tiny the Mouse.
Did you know the name Theodore Bull?
Oh wait, we went that way last time, so let's go this way.
You guys want a really funny maze story?
No.
A lady, I don't think this is that Roba, this is that in some other state. A lady and a child going through a maze and...
Oh, Jordan, you dropped your cigarettes.
Actually, I think those are candy cigarettes.
They were, actually. Okay, we went around, so we need to go this way.
And they wandered around for 3 hours trying to escape. They finally called 911, and they were stuck. Guess how far they were from the entrance?
How far?
30 feet. They didn't take the right turn.
So, if you guys didn't hear what he just said, he just described a story of how these people were stuck in a maze. They actually called 911 to get out. Alright, you know what? Like he was saying, they were stuck in a maze 30 feet from the exit, and they called the cops just to get them out, and then all of a sudden, they're out. So, that was pretty dumb of them. They couldn't, like, you know...
It doesn't look good at all.
There's the duck.
Oh my. Yeah, that's... No. I'm just gonna show them on camera. So, that's the duck print right there.
Rip the crayon out of it.
Yeah, there's no cram whatsoever on there. Okay, so let's continue on the maze. We're gonna try to keep this video at right at 10 minutes, so we definitely need to get going here a little bit here. There's the lovely parking lot, as empty as it is. There's the van, way over there, purple van. So, I don't know why I showed you that. Just take no mind. Sometimes I'm really stupid, okay?
Wait, do you have any viewers that are in PA?
Hey guys, comment down below if you guys live in Pennsylvania.
And then comment which part of Pennsylvania
And that
you
is,
live in.
no, that's copyright. Get that out of here. I can't have that in my video. No,
He owns it, actually.
you do not own that song.
No, he does.
Hold up. We got 3 minutes. How does he own the song?
Bought it.
That's the Darth Vader song.
Oh,
How does he?
iTunes. They got permission to sell
Yeah, I
it.
bought that song.
Yeah, he owns it.
We went into a dead end.
Go.
That
go.
way. No,
There's
this
another
way.
dead end.
Yeah, but there might be a ducky or something here. There's nothing here. Alright guys, Operation Stealth Mode. Bum 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 ba-da-da ba-da-ma ba-da-da ba-da. This way. Da 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 bum 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 ba-da-ma. Yes we do. My video's at 8 minutes. Da. Oh no.
Get the paper, get the paper.
So I don't know what this is. Looks like some sort of pack rat.
Move it down.
Yes.
We already gotten this thing.
Alright,
Good enough.
let's go. Here's another one.
Already found that one.
No, you didn't. This is the bull.
That's the first one.
That's not the first one. So that's a new one.
Go away.
We got the bull. Alright. Okay, I'm done singing and running. And there goes Jordan. And we hit a dead end. So guys, as we exit the maze,
First two you got.
I have no clue and we're not getting any more.
This way.
But where were the first two?
Jordan, we gotta try and get out. My video's at 9 minutes. So anyways guys, as we're on our way out here, I have one more or two more announcements. So this video should be out. Oh, there's another one. So get it and then let's go. So as I was saying guys, I have one more announcement to do, which is this video should be out today, which is Thursday, or it'll be out Saturday, one of the two. Bendy and Nightmare Run episode 2 will be coming back. And as for that challenge video that I promised you guys, we actually were not able to film it, so unfortunately that won't be coming out at least for another month. But I promise you when it comes out, that's going to be a good challenge video. The Disney Trivia Challenge, everybody get hyped for it. I think we just found another one at a dead end. Yes, we did. That's the horseshoe.
Everybody type hype in the chat.
Well, they're already commenting whether or not they're from Pennsylvania, so.
Type hype in the chat.
All right, let's go. What? I am so tired, guys. We gotta get out of this maze. We're already at 10 minutes.
Wait, look. That's horseshoe.
Oh, that actually did work. I don't know how well that's gonna show up for you guys. Okay, we are out of here because this is that big open area again. So, all right, let's get out of here.
Look, there's that first one.
Yep, that's the first one we got right there, guys.
I'm singing chords.
Yeah, this is the thing again. Face it, you lost.
You want to sing about Mama Pizza?
No singing right now, please. I don't want any copyright, although I don't think that song. I know that. I don't think that song is going to be copyright.
No, we made it wrong.
Don't even, Brian. Get the ringtone off. Tell him get that off, guys. Just answer it.
Hello?
No one's going to answer you. All right, guys. This is our way out of here.
What the army done to me?
Gotta get the camera up way high above all the cameras.
Now I carry one on my back.
That doesn't make any sense.
I used to drive a Cadillac, go into the army, now I'm carrying it on my back.
Nobody carries Cadillacs on their back. You remember what Pastor was talking about? The one guy who could lift the front end of a car. That's the best anyone ever could have done.
He's actually, that's sensitive.
Alright guys, this is going to be the end of the vlog video. I thank you all for watching this video. Hit the like button, subscribe down below, and yep, that's the end of the core maze. So I will catch you all
See y'all next time.
in my next video. Goodbye guys.